Friends, today I'm going to share with you about the phonetics. In the previous video, we discussed about the phonetics, kinds of the phonetics, how the phonetics are compared with the Telugu sounds. We discussed in the previous video. Now let us discuss how the vowel sounds are articulated. Telugu sounds we cannot compare all phonemic sounds with the Telugu sounds. Some sounds are not existing in Telugu language. So here E, it is pronounced like a sheep. E, it is articulated as ship. E, ship. E, it is articulated like O, goat. O, but it cannot compare with the Telugu sound. It is articulated like ooh, shoot. Ooh, it is articulated like as a, bed. A, so we can compare with the A. The sound is not existing in Telugu, but somewhat look like a teacher, a teacher, a teacher, a. The sound is cannot compare with the Telugu sound. The sound is not existing in Telugu language. Oh, give some vibrations in the vocal cord. Oh, board. Oh, the sound is compared with the O. O, do, do. The sound which look like a, but we cannot compare with the Telugu sound. Catch, a, catch. Somewhat we can compare with the Telugu sound A, but 100% we cannot compare with the Telugu sound. Up, up, up. So we can compare with this sound with Telugu A, far, a, far. It somewhat look like O, on, O. So out of the 12 sounds, we can compare with the Telugu E, E, U, A, O, A, A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of the 12 sounds, we can compare with the Telugu sounds only 7. Rest of the sounds are not existing in Telugu language. That's why somewhat difficult to articulate, to pronounce, to utter any word, because any person who is going to acquire the knowledge in the other language, he was already associated with the native language. So with the influence of the native language, they are producing the words. So that's why these sounds a, o, o, u are not existing in our Telugu language. That's why our Indian speakers are facing some difficulties to producing these sounds. Okay, friends, these are the 12 vowel sounds. Okay, friends, so let us move on short vowels and long vowels. So out of the 12 vowels, again they are classified like a short vowels and long vowels. So before we are going to learn about the short vowels and long vowels, I request you please subscribe my channel to get more and more updates regarding the phonetics. Please subscribe, comment, share and like it. Okay, friends. So friends, this is the long vowel chart. So we are going to discuss long vowels, how they are articulated. So out of the 12 pure vowel sounds, 5 are the long vowels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So look at and observe these sounds, which are every letter having a dots. So when the letter having dots, they are called the long vowels. But we should know the differentiation between the long vowels and the short vowels, because some American pronunciation is different from the British pronunciation. That's why we should know disparity among the long vowels and the short vowels. American people are using the short vowel instead of the long vowel. So British people are using long vowel instead of the short vowel. That's why you should know the disparity between the long vowels and the short vowels. These are the long vowels, only 5. Ka, ka, ki, do, o, bird, fo. So these are called the long vowels. Please remember the friends, out of the 12 vowel sounds, 5 are the long vowels. So let us move on the short vowel. Friends, these are the short vowels. Out of the 12, 7 are the short vowels. So as I said earlier, there is a differentiation between the American English and the short British English regarding the short vowels and the long vowels. So that's why you should know the differentiation between the short vowels and the long vowels. Okay. So these 7 are the short vowels. Cat. This is called cat. This is ship. This is bus. This is called O. This is articulated like O, dog. This is articulated like O, coach. This is articulated like A. So whenever we are going to articulate any sound, any word or any sound, our respiratory system plays the vital role. Our larynx or jaws movement, these plays the vital. Somewhat difficult for the Indian speakers to articulate any word, because our respiratory system is different from the American British, because we are living in the hot region, but American people are living in the cold region. That's why. So there will be a gliding in their movement, lip movement or jaws movement. So whereas our Indian speaker, there will not be any gliding, because they are living in the hot region. That's why it is somewhat difficult for giving such kind of smooth gliding. So our jaws movement and the respiratory system. So these 7 are the short vowels. Okay, thank you friends. Move on to the Telugu chart. Telugu alphabets A, E, U, Aro. So somewhat you can compare with these Telugu English sounds with the Telugu letters. Okay friends. See friends, the pronunciation of English is different from state to state. Wherever you go, any part of in India, it's very different from state to state and region to region, because of the English cannot exist with the local language, and also it cannot exist with the local dialect, slang. So that's why the pronunciation of English is different from the North India to South India. For example, if we go Tamil, simple. Tamil people pronounce like a symbol. P, instead of the P, they pronounce like a B, because pa sound is not existing in Tamil. So that's why Instead of P, they are pronounced like a B. Simple, symbol. He is a symbol man. Because that's why, because it cannot be existing in the local language. At the same time, if you go Bengal, West Bengal, van, it is pronounced like a ban, because V, that sound is not existing in the Bengal. That's why instead of V, they pronounce like a B, van, ban. That's why Rabindranath Tagore, it is pronounced like a Rabindranath Tagore. So if you pronounce like a Venkat Rao, in Bengali people it will be pronounced like a Venkat Rao, because instead of B they pronounce like a B. So that's why, see friends, English is very struggling in the hands of the Indian speakers, because with the influence of the local dialects, local slang, the influence of the mother tongue, it is very struggling in the hands of the Indian speakers and the Indian people, because English cannot be existing with the local languages. That's why that's kind of variations, that's kind of disparity regarding the pronunciation. But what different kinds of pronunciation we hear, but what kind of system should be followed? That is called the RP system, received pronunciation. RP, R is meant for received. Received means acceptable. It is called the received pronunciation, which is designed by IPA, Indian Phonetic Association. So 44 sounds are slightly modified into the Telugu language or Indian languages. So according to that, Indian Phonetic Association phonemic chart have to be pronounced wherever the word. So let us discuss in the next videos what is the RP system, what is the Indian Phonemic Association phonemic transcription chart. We can discuss in the next videos. Friends, not only in India, the pronunciation is different from country to country. See, look at this, American English and the British English. So Americans, it is articulated director, but a British it is articulated and pronounced like a director. So Americans it is called the finance, but British it is called the finance. So Americans it is articulated like a final, but British people it is articulated a final. Only slight changes are regarding the vowels only. So Americans are using the short vowel, but Britishers using the long vowel. So that's why this is the short vowel, director, but they are using the long vowels and the diphthongs, director. So finance, short vowel, but Britishers using the long vowel or diphthong, finance. So that's why there is regarding the pronunciation is different from country to country, but we follow the British English only, British pronunciation, time colony of the British Empire. That's why we follow the British English only, British pronunciation, British spelling, British vocabulary. Okay friends, this disparities, distinction features is not regarding the pronunciation, regarding the spelling also is different from American. One example, color. So American people are using color, C-O-L-O-R, but British people are using C-O-L-O-U-R, color. This is only one example. There are a lot of examples are there. And also vocabulary, regarding the vocabulary, American people it is called the street engineer, the person who cleans the street. American people are called street engineer, but the British people it is called the scavenger. So that's why this is only simple examples, but in the next video we discuss a lot of examples regarding the vocabulary, spelling, pronunciation between American and British, but we follow the only British spelling, British pronunciation, British vocabulary. Okay friends, thank you. If you like this video, please keep on touch with my ABCD English channel. Please subscribe, share and like and comment. to get more and more updates. Thank you friends, thank you.
Friends, let us discuss one more video how the vowel sounds are pronounced. So let us look into that video.
E as in beach. I as in sit. U as in foot. And moving to the oo as in shoe. So mouth back. As in end. We have the a little bit. Girl or door. So let's or as in cat and under. Moving forward again, we have father, and the fine o, e, a, a, u,